Ben's dad had a bad cold. I started with an uppercase and I put a period at the end. Ben's dad.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're starting with his? Is this word his? What word is this? His. So we need an uppercase H-I-S, his dad. So do that. Good, good. Dad, Ben's dad had. Write the word had.
This is the elevator here at the Rahway Public Library in Rahway, New Jersey. It is a ThyssenKrupp impulse. Here's the mezzanine. Basic ThyssenKrupp impulse.
Okay, what goes at the end of your sentence? Say what? Good. Did you do it?
There it goes, and that's it.
Is that